will cover all the villages within 2 years. Now one year completed. Very happy to say that 70% of the villages in Goa already covered by the governor and his team. Our MLA is a smart fellow, I appreciate it. But as far as governor is concerned, nobody invited me to this place. In none of the villages, our constitution says supreme. Who is supreme? The question. Its answer is very well. I am stating very well that people are supreme. Our constitution starts with the first sentence. We the people of India. So the people are supreme. Not government is supreme. Supreme Court is not supreme. Our ministers are not supreme. Our MLA is not supreme. Who is supreme? People are supreme. That is why I am in a nice nominated post. Our Panchayat presidents and the MLA, they offered you, I am contesting in the election. I am prepared to serve you. You impose your faith in me. And that is why, whatever the politics I have to be participating, but he is bound to serve the people. Panchayat president is bound to serve the people.